All right, so I'm doing a side-by-side comparison between sweet potatoes that I grew myself and sweet potatoes I bought from the store. So homegrown sweet potatoes versus store-bought organic sweet potatoes. Both of them are organic, but look at the color. You see, mine is very, 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 very dark, deep dark. They're very moist, very dark, very sweet. These here, they are still orange, but they're a lighter shade orange. They taste okay, but they're not as sweet or as moist as mine are. Now, neither of these are yams. They both are sweet potatoes. Okay, now I know I said it because yams are actually dark in color too, but these are not yams. So it's not a yam sweet potato comparison. It's a sweet potato comparison. So anyway, just wanted to show y'all that the difference between homegrown organic sweet potatoes and store-bought organic sweet potatoes. Optimize your health by growing it yourself. Catch y'all next time.